Hello, this is a very special rotifer called Notommata groenlandica. This was found from a sphagnum bog in between two human-made roads, actually. But this was taken from a bunch of cyanobacteria blooms that had formed a lorica, so it was almost sticky. This is a direct sample. It hasn't necessarily been cultivated. But like I said earlier, this is Notommata groenlandica, and if you see the top eye spot there, which is red, right below that is the retrocerebral organ, or the flame cell, and that's kind of the premise of this video because it's highly birefringent. And then next to that's the mastax, then the digestive system, and then the vitellarium. And this rotifer is actually carrying an egg in its vitellarium, so this isn't necessarily the best example for an identification. But here is an oblique illumination, and with this we do actually have enough information to prove that it's Notommata groenlandica. But this is polarization, and now you can see the retrocerebral organ much better. And it has a bunch of small little granules. I'm not sure about the material. I think it might be some sort of calcium compound. And we can see that in its digestive tract, it's been eating a lot of small flagellates. And I will show those later. But if you look closely, now it's sort of glowing. With this camera, it's hard to show that, but I have other footage of this that I took a few months ago, but it was not very good. But you can see that it's glowing gold now. And it's right below that eye spot, which is also somewhat birefringent. But in this sample, there were also a lot of stentors, and additionally, in the sample, there were a lot of copepods eating those stentors, and there were also a lot of ostracods, and had very surprising diversity, even though it was a very small bog. And it was in an area with a lot of human intervention. But here it is zoomed out, and that is the food there glistening. But anyways, goodbye.